I talked about this in my vlog. I think I have a shopping addiction, but more than a shopping addiction, your girl likes to find a deal. I love finding deals. It just, something about it just makes me so happy. Anyways, with all that said, I went thrifting and I found some gems. First one that caught my attention is this gorgeous red cocktail dress. And it's actually quite simple, but it's a little details that I also love, like this kind of, what would you call this neckline? It's almost like a petal neckline. It reminds me of rose petals. It's from Loft and it's petite size 12, which is exactly my size. $7.50, but all the orange tags were half off, so it was what, like $3.75. It's simple, but it's something that I feel like will never ever go out of style, so I was pretty excited about this find. Next, this was actually the first dress that caught my attention. Casual denim dress. It's loose fitting, so it's more comfortable, and it's a good denim, nothing too heavy, it's not too light, it's just the perfect in-between denim. I got it for $8.50, so I'm not gonna complain about that. I don't know what the brand is. There's actually no tag, but cute, simple. Again, I feel like a denim dress is evergreen, so I could wear this for years and years and years. So this next one I actually debated on. I almost put it back. In fact, I think I did put it back, but I grabbed it again. But now I think I should actually just put it back. This is the dress. It's actually quite cute, right? Like, it looks like something you would wear on a summer or spring vacation. It's cute and girly, and it has like the little tassels. Like, come on, that's so freaking fun. And I was just gonna wear this as a summer dress, but it actually shows way too much cleavage. And you know what? I think ultimately, because it's so thin too, I think this is supposed to just be a bathing suit cover-up. So that would be cute for that. But I already have 2 cover-ups. I can't justify keeping this. You know, it's not something that I see myself wearing in 5 years. But especially after my boobs not fitting in it properly, I'm like, okay, yeah, no. Strange enough, this was the most expensive thing I bought. I don't know if it was the most expensive out of everything, but $11.50. I'm gonna go ahead and exchange this. They don't do returns, but they'll do exchanges as long as I have the receipt. And I mean, there's always something I could get there. Okay, so on to the next. Speaking of bathing suit covers, this is 100% linen. I thought it was just like an oversized t-shirt. I was just gonna wear this over a bathing suit, or even just like wear with jeans and tuck it in. But yeah, it's actually a romper, and I didn't even realize I even had a tie, which is awesome. It's again 100% linen. The brand is called Vitamin A. I never wear rompers. I think I've just always been insecure about showing my legs, but now that I'm older, I'm feeling more and more comfortable in my body. Also an evergreen piece, quality piece. This was $11.50. I have 2 more pieces. So this one was actually just a basic white top, but what stood out to me is the quality. It's like a thicker material. Oh, it's 100% cotton, but it's thicker than your average cotton shirt. It's in between a shirt and a sweater. And then it has like the, you know, this is what elevates it, the silly little zipper in the back that, like, why would you even need a zipper in the back? Because it's such a wide neck, it's a boat neck. To be honest, what really sold me is its orange tag. It's $5, so I got it for $2.50. And this is something that I would wear on a casual spring or fall day. And bonus, on the bottom it's curved, which I've always loved curved bottoms. I feel like it just flows well with my body. It doesn't cut you off so bluntly. Yay, $2.50. Last but not least, I have like 10 seconds left. This, I think, was the best deal I found there. This is a Zara dress, a Zara knit maxi dress and it looks very classy. Hi, Boo!
Hi, oh my gosh, Anne.
You want your pants?
Oh.
It's a heavy duty, thicker dress. I was so surprised to see this. Oh, did I tell you how much I got this for? I looked at the price and then I'm looking everywhere for a hole or some kind of defect. $8.50, but it's yellow tag, so I got it for $4.25. I really love thrifting. I especially love it because you're upcycling clothes, you're picking out new pieces that not everybody's gonna have. My whole haul was about $50, more or less $50, maybe $40 once I returned this other dress. But if you guys love watching thrifting hauls, give the video a thumbs up and I'll see you next time. Bye!